It's doomsday, and who said that the world is ending? Well, it was worth a try. The weather called for rain tonight, but in some city streets the sun is shining.
Wish! Sana mamatay lahat ng kurakot sa Pilipinas.